today we are working on Brandon's SR. So last year, this engine, we did put it together. It ran really great for a few events and then seemed to go low on compression. We stuck a boroscope down it and we found that there's some pretty good scoring in the cylinder walls. So we're gonna rip this thing down and see what's really going on. Our suspicion is that it got overheated, got really hot, and got the oil thinned out so much that it had like no lubrication on the piston rings. So we're gonna get into this and see what's going on exactly and go from there. So yeah, follow us. We're gonna tear this guy down. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get this intake off of here. We're just gonna undo all these 12s. Boom, 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 boom. Pull that intake off and get access to a couple more things. Then we'll pull this oil cooler off, and then pull the front drive system off. And then we'll pull the turbo side off, and then it'll be pull the head. So here we go. All right, like that, we have no accessories, we have no intake, got the turbo off. Yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of upgrades that we weren't able to do before just based on budget. So we're gonna change quite a few things, like get rid of the stock breather. I think he wants to go with a little bit bigger turbo, maybe just a T28 or something like that. But yeah, we're gonna kind of clean up a bunch of stuff, fix a few things. Yeah, and kind of go from there. So I'm gonna pull this head off next. Okay, so we got the engine taken apart. I kind of just went ahead and took everything apart. All the top end looks great, all looks good. We did find the reason for low compression. Got a broken piston ring there. The rest of them are still intact, but they're kind of sticking. You can tell everything got really, really hot. This oil stinks so bad. So it definitely got overheated pretty well, which caused a lot of stress on a lot of components. So we'll be putting some new piston rings in this, some new bearings. You can see that heat and that lack of oil lubrication took a toll on those brand new bearings already. So we will be getting all of that replaced, and we'll get this SR20 back together and give it another life. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. See ya.